This video is to show you how to update your sales tax rate. Sometimes we'll receive emails from our local state entity letting us know that there's been an adjustment to the local sales tax rate. This is something that you as the business owner need to be responsible for. Maybe you're the store manager or the operator. But this is happening in point of sale software, and the bookkeepers are not responsible for this. You originally signed up with your local state board to collect sales tax on their behalf, to pay to them, and so you would have been receiving those updates. That's not something that goes to your accountant or your bookkeeper, so no one really knows if they're changing too much unless you let us know that you're seeing some action. It usually happens on the quarter, like maybe 10/1, January 1, I think April 1. Anyway, as those adjustments happen, I'm going to show you the really easy way to go in and make them in your system. So from the File drop-down menu, you'll choose Preferences, Company, and scroll almost all the way down to the bottom, and I'm looking for Sales Tax. It's the fifth from the bottom. And this shows us our various sales tax related activities. If you're in a multi-store environment, you might have multiple rows of tax collection rates based on your store locations. In this environment, I have just one. If you need some help because you're in multi-store, or even if you're not in multi-store, you can reach out to me and I'll give you some private help. But in the meantime, the easy way to make those adjustments is simply go to the line that shows the collection. This is the third line down for me. It's showing that I'm collecting 7.25 cents paid to whatever your local state entity should be populated there. I'm going to choose Edit Tax Code. I won't make any adjustments to the tax code information. I'll choose the Next button. And mine is a single rate tax, so most stores will land here with this. If you're price dependent or multi-rate tax, please let me know and I'll work with you on making sure yours is updated. Choose the Next button again. And this is where I'll make my adjustments. I'll enter my new sales tax rate. So my sales tax percentage was 7.25%, and I was told that it's going up 0.125. So my new sales tax rate is going to be 7.375. And my entity that I'm paying it to remains unchanged. I'll choose Finish, and it's been updated here in my setup. So I'll save it. I'll log out of point of sale and back in completely by choosing maybe File, Backup Data, and Exit. And then I'll reopen point of sale and my save will be to the data file and it'll be permanent in the system. So if your activity happens on a specific date, that would be the day that you'd go in and make that adjustment. Again, you can check with your bookkeeper or accountant. It is really your primary source of information. Your bookkeeper can just confirm it, but typically the accountant would be responsible for knowing exactly what's going on locally for you. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful week. Bye now.